guys, today is day 1 in Dubai, and we actually got here at like 3 a.m. 4 a.m. checked in at 4 a.m. but I didn't start the vlog at that time because I was super tired. But yeah, I'm starting it now, and yeah, I don't know where we're going, so we'll just see. But yeah, day 1, let me just finish getting dressed, and yeah. So right now we're going to some event, I don't know where, but yeah.
And beautiful aquarium and Burj Khalifa.
Yes.
Dubai no mafia.
Yeah, no mafia. So did you take a cup?
Goodness, you guys, how cute are these? These are very cute. I like them, but child. Guess what my mom is doing again for the millionth time? Taking pictures. This is gonna be her all day, every day. 50 pictures a day. Ice skating. Hungry still in Dubai right now, guys. Since we haven't eaten since. So right now we're waiting for like that. So people, they're all on their phones. Anti-social. Ah, guys, look at this Hemis. Oh my word. Oh, it looks so big. I miss my job. Marcel, don't you miss work? Still at the mall, you guys. Right now I'm waiting for my mom to finish taking pictures so that we can leave. Wait, let's just go to her. Child. Good morning, guys. Today is day 2. Oh, guys, look at this view. Wow. Interesting. So pretty. myself such a cute little bag. Always wanted a cute bag like this. And then I also got myself shoes.
No, it can.
Hey guys, I'm gonna show you guys our room. Let's go. Hi. Okay. To the mall, and here's everyone else. You guys, I'm so tired. I know I said I wanted to walk, but whoa, we've been walking for like an hour now. And your girl's tired. And then we asked the security guard like, how far is the place? And he's like, oh, you have to go over the bridge. It's like 1 hour 30 minutes or whatever. I'm like, what? Guys, anyways, we should have just Ubered or something because wow. But it's also nice because you get to see the city and whatever. Guys, we're still walking 30 minutes later. Oh no. And my mom is right there. She still needs to cross. I don't know if you guys can see her. There she is. I'm dead. I'm also dead. My feet are killing me. Nothing is cute right now. Walking again, no ways. We are Ubering back or whatever. No, never again. I like walking, but no.
We rather wait. If we could wait at the hotel to check in at 7 and we arrived at 3.
Yeah. Guys, finally we are here. Oh my gosh. What a walk. I'm tired, so I'm just gonna sit down here. But I'm super willing Wi-Fi right now. Hi guys, we're done. It's over. Happy New Year, and now it's time to go back home. And we definitely not walking because we're very tired. But here's my sister and the parents. Happy New Year, girls. Bye. Okay, so right now we're looking for a ride. So we're walking again. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so tired. But we're walking there so that we can get a ride because there's traffic and the roads are closed. And it's just a mess. The sun's is taking snaps over here. And I'm tired of this mask. Okay. And then we got the parents in the back. But yeah. finally home, guys. Finally here, guys. Wow. Hey guys, today is day... What day is it today? 3. It's day 3 and I don't know where we're going, but let's go. Ooh, guys, look at this. And my mom is taking pictures again.
Mohammed bin Rashid. That is private yacht.
That's parking there.
Yeah. And you see the tree, there is island.
Yes.
That is Sheikh Mohammed.
Oh.
Dubai.
Oh, no, thank you. Ah, look at Minnie. So pretty. That's so beautiful. And we got Masuho here. She's wearing heels. And she's wearing heels. Why would you? Guys, they're wearing heels. I don't know why. Because we're gonna be walking here. We're gonna be walking. Akito, why? Why ba perdi heel? Banang, guys.
Video so.
Hectic. Guess what she's doing again?
Okay.
Taking pictures. She took like a million. Oh my goodness. Okay, and here's the photographer. Oh, guys, it's so pretty. Wow. Wow. Hey. This is like a plane, a big plane, guys. Emirates.
This
thing is annoying me.
Planning to take a picture.
Unplanned pictures are nice.
They are very nice.
Guys, I'm having this sweet corn, but it's
No,
mixed
pose,
with stuff.
pose.
It slaps. Like,
Now
it's so
always
good.
people
Let
want
me
to
make
get
this
the
simple. Like, just buy sweet corn and mix all these things that I was putting in because
No, but like
Sharp. My lips are dry. But anyway, we're sitting down. We're trying to fix it and now get back to walking.
Baba, so let's go to
That traumatized you.
water that I cannot see my own feet.
So nice. Guys, guess what my mom is doing? Again. Taking pictures. Pretty. Okay. Okay, y'all know I'm a real life princess, right? So I found my second home. Look, guys. Really. A castle. It's so pretty. Oh my word. Wow. Hey guys, so today's my mom's birthday. It's like what time is it? Oh, it's like 12:19. So we're gonna sing for her on live. She's on the live because you know she's in the other room, but we're gonna sing for her right now. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Okay, you can sleep
We'll
now.
see you in the morning. We're also gonna go sleep. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow as well. We're gonna look cute or whatever for her birthday. Yeah, bye.